Okay, so this is the WBS study abroad trip to Sweden, work breakdown structure WBS. So we've kind of already started ours. For our first one, we have project management. Our second one, we have entertainment / attractions. For the third, we've got academic, and fourth, social, and the fifth is culture. So our WBS is, it just kind of helps us identify more of what we're doing and where we're going, and how long it's going to take, how much it's going to cost. We didn't write that down yet, but we did go ahead and put some places down that we're going to go. So this is just going to help us provide people with like more information when we go on the trip, like places we're going to go, how much time it's going to take, what days we're going to go, and when to do things on certain days. Things like where we're going to stay. We already got a couple down for like the culture. They have like a crayfish party, a culture festival, and then we plan on visiting museums. Most of this stuff is free. It's like, I would say maybe the museum probably costs some money. Like I wrote down here, it's like $16 in US money. This just kind of gives us a starting point of what we're going to work with, where we might want to go, places we might want to see. This is going to help us see how long it's going to take to do everything, and if we can fit everything in the time that we've chosen. And we're going to see how much everything costs and if it's in our budget. And it's also going to help us figure out who is going to be responsible for what easier. So we'll probably each pick a category and decide to work on it. The WBS is going to help us be more organized. It's going to help us pick out our main points where we really want to go visit, what we can leave out and stuff like that, and then pick and choose what we can do from there. So we were thinking about going to an ice hotel. It's basically like a big igloo. They also have like things like events like the Northern Lights that they can go see there. So we put that under entertainment and attractions. For social, we put a Famaria. That's like a bar kind of place that's, I think, in like the center of Stockholm where we plan on visiting. There's also like a website that we found for like country shops, local food tasting, and stuff like that, where they show us around the farms, and we get to go like shopping around like the more rural parts of Sweden. For academic, we found a couple conferences and tech meetings, like NetNod Tech Meeting. It's about 4 hours long, and most of the conferences are pretty much free. And we'll plan to have more added on there, more details added on there as we get together more throughout the semester. But this is just to basically help us like organize what we're thinking about doing, where we're thinking about going, how much everything might cost. If we want to go to a place like the Ice Hotel, it's probably going to be a little bit more expensive, but they have more entertainment and attractions there, things we can go do there, so where we don't have to travel out so much, which would help us save on like transportation and stuff like that, or maybe translators as well. And that is the video for my WBS video. Thank you.